Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome back. My name is Jamie. I'm 53 years old and I'm trying to get back on a budget. So this is what I've been using and I am going to show y'all. We got all of it lined out and we're going to add them up and then I will show you how much we're going to come up short. It's just one of those things. I'm going to move Melvin back a little bit. Let me bring this up here. I hope y'all could see the numbers. These are correct numbers. This is the correct everything. This is full-blown, in your face. Here's the exact numbers. So our income on Social Security, both of us is on Social Security, it's $26.44. And this is what we have to pay out and how much we are going to come up short. As always, okay, that total is $820. And then here's this bunch. These are the fixed expenses. I hope everybody's been doing all right. This economy has went crazy. Grocery prices are outrageous. Gas prices are outrageous. Our electric bills have been outrageous. But we are supposed to be getting a credit back on our electric bills because they said that they had overcharged us for the last 2 months. Okay. Bless you, Rudy. My Siamese cat's got allergies. You'll hear him sneezing in the background. This will give me an idea of how much we are actually going to have to come up extra for the month of April to get all these paid. So we got 820.03, 1944.38. Oh, we're already over our income. So this is our income, 26.44. Our expenses are 3,248.47. So 26.44 minus 3,248.47. We are going to have to come up with an extra $604.47 just to get bills paid. So, that ain't counting gas or food, but all the other is up. So that'll give me an idea of what we have to come up for the month of April to get all the bills paid and extras, gas, food, toiletries, laundry soap, laundry, Laundry. See, I can't even spell today, guys. But it's just a short video. I wanted to come on here and just show you guys that Social Security does not pay your bills. not at all. So if you are able to do a little bit of something, like a side hustle or anything, you are allowed to make up so much money a month before they'll take your Social Security. So we are checking into that. I've already checked into it. That's the reason why I helped my friend at the restaurant. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will catch you later. Remember to always wear a smile, because your smile will make somebody's day. Bye, guys.